Welcome back everybody to week 11 of the do-it-yourself Barndominium build. This week we are going to be finishing up bay number 3 to look just like these two here. And, God willing, finishing up all of our hangers. Let's get going. Okay, structure of the third truss bay is done. Now all I have to do is do a couple brackets here on the bottom chord of the second bay, and then also the brackets on the back side of the bay here. I have to do all of those. Snapper's still on cooldown, so we're gonna do those manually this time, and that's what we're probably gonna be doing for the remainder of the day. Found our solution, thank God. We have our 3 bits that I would consider as a part of your arsenal for drilling through nail plates on trusses, or nail plates on really anything, but I think that's the primary application in construction. So the winner by far is this Stinger Mock Blue bit. Now that may change for when you're working with holes of different thicknesses, but for this thickness specifically, or just thin ones, this one outperformed every single other bit, and I tried a lot of them, and you know that if you've been following along. So the most expensive Milwaukee bit that I bought was the Cobalt ones, I believe, and those ones were breaking just after like 4 or 5, 6 holes. This one I've been using for, I want to say all the holes on probably 4 truss pairs, and it is still going. I only bought one just to try it out, and I'm sure glad that I did. The rest of them I bought like 4 duplicates of each one, thinking that that was going to be enough, and they all broke. So give this one a try. It is awesome. I'm probably going to be only buying these drill bits from Spider going forward. Now, I would recommend also pairing that with a black oxide. These just are super cheap, and I've been drilling the majority of my holes with these, and the reason for that being is that these have a lot softer metal in them, so when I hit nails and things inside of the wood, the bit actually just bends, unlike the titanium ones or the cobalt ones, which will break. And then I would also pair that with a longer bit. These ones, pretty much all the longer ones that I've tried so far have broken very quickly, but you only need them for, really only if you're drilling into your truss pair diagonally. You'll need a longer bit to get deep enough to do that. But yeah, buy these. They're awesome, and they look super cool. Look at that, it's like purple and blue. Awesome. Well, just discovered a kind of a crappy issue. My plans specify that I need to have 6 inches from the peak to the ridge purlin. And the instruction manual says minimum of 5 inches, and so I believe that the plans override the instruction manual, but I have different measurements along here based on what I was checking to verify what the distance needed to be. So I messed up in there. I believe that's my fault, but I'm gonna have to take the ridge purlins off of all of the truss pairs, all of the bays, and reinstall them correctly. So, oh boy, fun times. Okay, 2 days later, Finally fixed all of my mistakes here and made the spacing here uniform. Glad that that's all done. Now, all that we have left here is just to put the hangers on the truss, and then we're all done with hangers. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Praise the Lord, I am all done with hangers for right now. Oh my gosh, it feels so good to be done with that. I still have to do more of the hangers for the ceiling, but that can be done once the roof is up and once we're actually ready to start hanging the ceiling. It's not necessary for bracing and might actually get in the way of us working on the inside. So we're gonna save those for later, and I am more than happy to do that. Thanks for hanging with us through all the hangers. We should be actually getting to lifting here pretty soon, which should be quite a bit more exciting. I've got a design that I think everybody's gonna like, so stay tuned to see if that works out or not. If you enjoyed the video or found it useful at all, please hit that thumbs up as it helps us quite a bit. If you're interested in home building, DIY, light homesteading, or living the debt-free lifestyle, then please consider hitting that subscribe and the notification bell so that you can see our videos in the future. We got a lot of ideas for videos that should be useful to people who are into that kind of stuff, and we'd be excited to have you along on the journey. Catch you guys next time.